Mera era desela Meka mela romo se mela seidos Sela meka ramo se mele desai Mela moseida, Mikela meida, Sela mo meide. Mela seida, Ela mo meida, Sela mo meide. Mela sela mo meide ela masidai Mela ra sokama meide ela mesidai Moro meida sela ela mame Mera seide meira se calamoro me I hear the cry from deep inside of the hearts of your people. Father, I hear the cry way deep inside of the hearts of your people. I hear the cry deep inside of the hearts of your people. I see the silent suffering in the hearts of your people. Oh, ela mile se la mai mile se di me la muro mera dei dai. I hear the cry, Father. I know that cry, Ela mo me dai. Where they are right now in this season at night, where they're waiting, Lord. Where they are right now in a state of fright, where they're waiting, Lord. Oh, Father, you said in your word, your holy word to us people. If you obey me, if you truly follow the ways of the Lord, I will open up the heavens I will open wide. I will send my rain upon your land. I will open wide. Oh, I will pour out my rain on your land. You will reap a beautiful harvest. Oh, I will pour out my rain upon your land. You will eat good fruit for the season. Elama selere, elama morama selere meidela. You said, Father, oh, you said, you will open the heavens, you will open and you'll send your rain. You will send your rain in due season upon our land. And you will bless the work, you will bless the work, oh, the work of our hands. You will open up the heavens, oh, you will pour out your rain, rain upon our land, upon our land. You will pour out your rain, and you will bless the work of our hands, oh Father, you will bless it all. 'Cause you said in your word that whatever our hands touch, it'll prosper in your name. Open up the heavens, open up the heavens and pour out your rain. Open up the heavens, open up the heavens and pour out